Hello my little angels, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to transform into Victoria's Secret angels. I have this fun little DIY for you today in how to transform this silky dressing gown into a Victoria's Secret more special. And if you want to watch more of these kind of videos, do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to try and be more consistent from now on. Thank you and enjoy! So I bought this tablecloth, and I actually bought it for the trims, and I just wanted to do a little cut and add it for the edges. I thought that was very special and very delicate. You can see that I'm just playing around with some ideas how to place it, and I just decided that on the edge is much better than inwards. So I have this blade cutter for fabrics or delicate, and it's much easier than pinning and cutting, so that's what I used for just a quick cut than using scissors. I didn't show you this step, but I just did a straight stitch, and then I had some extra little ribbon and I just put it on top. Doesn't look like the fabric is frayed. And then I just bought these ironed on wings. I bought them from Amazon, so all the supplies that you see, I just bought them from Amazon, and I just had to use the iron just to press it down so it sticks. I think it has this adhesive, and then it just melts and sticks to the fabric, which was very simple, very easy. This is the final result. I think it looks so cute, and I do have shorts underneath. Don't worry, I'm not flashing anybody, but I think it's so delicate and so beautiful how it turned out. I would definitely wear it, but I would definitely have to wear something underneath because it's way too short, but I love it. And if you do want to try your own, please send us pictures or tag me on Instagram. I would like to see if you do make any of these DIYs that I make. And now I have an outfit to watch my Victoria's Secret show in. If you want to see more of these kind of videos and more fun DIYs, please subscribe and leave me a comment down below. What else would you like to see next? From me to you, loads of kisses, my little angels. Till next time.